Today we're going to be taking a look at this property that's listed in Delano, California for $339,000. It's a 3-bedroom, a 2-bathroom, and the year built is 1989. Stepping inside here, we first approach the living room area. The interior and exterior of the property have also been freshly painted. Now let's head towards the hallway so we can see the rest of the rooms and bathrooms. First, starting off to this right side where we can see the first room. Next, we turn left to see the first bathroom. Also, as you can see, the vanity has a beautiful and modern light display. And then once again, heading towards the hallway here, we make a turn to the primary room. Throughout the property, there's no carpet, only floors. Here in the primary room, we also do have the second bathroom, also with modern touches and lighting around the vanity. Next, let's head to the third room that's straight down here. This is the third room, but added next to it is another small room, which is this one. This was part of the garage, but now it has been converted to a small room, which is perfect for somebody that wants a small office or a gym in the home. Then towards the side, we have this door that leads into the garage. You have space in that corner for a motorcycle, then a car right here in this space. Now let's head back and let's take a look at the kitchen, which also has modern updates. Before we take a look, down below, leave a comment what has been the best feature that you've liked about the property so far. Here we have the laundry room, and then towards this side we have the kitchen. The countertops in the kitchen are quartz and they're new. The black sink and the black oven range are new as well. And here's another angle of the kitchen. From the kitchen, we also have another room that can be used as a studio. If you're interested in this property, message me or give me a call. Let me give you another full view of this room. And now let's go to the backyard and take a look. Heading towards the backyard, we do see that it has a covered patio, perfect for family gatherings during those hot sunny days for a barbecue. For the surrounding fence, you have brick walls. Then to the side, you have a small space with a gate, perfect for pets. And here's another view of the backyard.